Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Imagine this: your car breaks down, your pet gets sick, or you suddenly lose your job. Panic sets in, right? That heart-sinking feeling is something I want to help you avoid forever. That's why today, we're officially launching the $0 to $1,000 Emergency Fund Challenge. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a safety net that can change your life, step by step. Are you in? Let's do this. So, what is an emergency fund, and why is everyone so obsessed with it? Simply put, it's money set aside specifically for unexpected life events. This isn't your vacation fund or your new phone fund. This is your break glass in case of emergency money. Without it, a simple surprise bill can send you spiraling into debt. You might have to put it on a high-interest credit card, take out a scary loan, or borrow from family, which can get awkward. An emergency fund is your financial shield. It gives you peace of mind, knowing that if something goes wrong, you have a cushion to fall back on without derailing your entire financial life. It's the first and most critical step towards financial freedom. It's what lets you sleep soundly at night. Now, I know what some of you are thinking: $1,000. That feels impossible right now. I'm living paycheck to paycheck as it is. I hear you, and I promise, it's more achievable than you think. The key is to break it down into small, manageable steps. We're not trying to find a spare $1,000 lying around. We're going to build it, brick by brick. This challenge is designed for everyone, no matter your income. It's about creating new habits and finding opportunities you might have overlooked. Let's get into the game plan. Step 1 is the most important. Open a separate savings account for your emergency fund. This is non-negotiable. If the money is in your regular checking account, you'll spend it. Trust me, you need to create a barrier. Go for a high-yield savings account online. They often have better interest rates. And the slight delay in transferring money back to your checking account adds another layer of protection against impulse spending. Name the account Emergency Fund. Labeling it makes it real and reinforces its purpose. This simple action is your official start to the challenge. Go ahead, pause this video and do it right now. It takes 5 minutes. Alright, account setup. Awesome. Welcome to step 2. Finding the money. We're going to start by finding your first $100 this week. This initial win will build momentum. First, do a no-spend challenge for a week. That means only spending on absolute necessities, gas to get to work, and groceries you absolutely need. No morning coffees, no lunches out, no online shopping. You'll be shocked at how much you save. Another quick win. Sell stuff you don't need. Go through your closet, your garage, your bookshelf. List 5 to 10 items on Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark or eBay tonight. That old gadget, those clothes you never wear, that's cash waiting to be collected. Your goal is to hit that $100 mark in the next 7 days. Once you have that first $100, you'll feel amazing. Now we need to make it automatic. This is step 3. Automate your savings. Go into your payroll provider or your bank's app and set up an automatic transfer. Every time you get paid, a set amount goes directly from your checking account to your new emergency fund account. How much? It depends on your budget. Even $10 or $20 per paycheck is a fantastic start. The amount is less important than the consistency. If you get paid weekly, $25 a week is $1,000 in less than a year. If you can do 50, you'll be there in just 5 months. The magic of automation is that it happens without you thinking about it. You pay your future self first, and you learn to live off the rest. Step 4 is where we accelerate things. Boost your income. I'm not talking about getting a whole new job, unless you want to. I'm talking about side hustles. Think about the skills you already have. Are you good at writing? Offer freelance services on Upwork. Love dogs? Sign up for Rover or Wag to do some dog walking. Are you a clean freak? Offer house cleaning or car detailing services in your neighborhood. You could drive for Uber or Lyft on weekends, deliver food with DoorDash, or even do simple tasks on a site like TaskRabbit. Dedicate just a few hours a week to a side hustle, and commit to putting 100% of that extra income directly into your emergency fund. This is the fastest way to turbocharge your progress and reach that $1,000 goal. Let's look at a couple of real-world examples. Let's say Sarah gets paid bi-weekly. She starts by selling some old textbooks and clothes, making an initial $150. Then, she cuts her daily $5 coffee, saving $50 a month. She sets up an automatic transfer of $50 from each paycheck, which is $100 a month. On top of that, she decides to pet sit one weekend a month, earning an extra $150. So, between the saved coffee money, the automatic savings, and the side hustle, she's putting $300 a month into her fund. She hit her $1,000 goal in a little over 3 months. It's just about layering these small actions on top of each other. Another example is Mike. He feels like his budget is already stretched to the max. He starts by going through his subscriptions and cancels 3 streaming services he barely uses, freeing up $40 a month. He sets his automatic transfer to just $20 a week, which is $80 a month. To speed things up, he picks up 2 food delivery shifts every Saturday, earning an extra $80 a week, or $320 a month. Combined, he's saving $400 a month. He'll smash the $1,000 goal in 2.5 months, all while feeling like he had no extra money to start with. The opportunities are there if you look for them and take action. So, let's quickly recap the challenge. First, you need to commit. You're watching this for a reason, so decide right now that you're doing this. Step 1. Open a separate high-yield savings account and name it emergency fund. Step 2. Find your first $100 this week by doing a no-spend challenge and selling things you do unteed. Step 3. Automate your savings. Set up a recurring transfer from every paycheck, even if it's small. Step 4. Accelerate your progress with a side hustle and dedicate all of that income to your fund. Building a $1,000 emergency fund is the ultimate act of self-care. It's a gift to your future self. It's the foundation upon which all other financial goals, like paying off debt, investing, and building wealth are built. It replaces fear and anxiety with security and confidence. You can absolutely do this. The journey of $1,000 begins with a single step, and you have the complete roadmap right here. I want you to join me in this challenge. Let me know in the comments below that you're in. Share your progress, your struggles, and your wins. We're a community, and we can all motivate each other. Imagine how you'll feel in a few months when you look at that account balance and see $1,000 sitting there, ready to protect you. It's a feeling of power and freedom like no other. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, it really helps the channel out. And be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our follow-up videos where we'll share more tips and celebrate our community's progress. Now go open that savings account. You've got this. See you in the next video.